Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In previous video we seen about functions, function arguments and types of arguments etc. If you didn't watch previous video, please watch previous video for more understanding. That is because, in any programming languages functions are very useful. You can find the link from my button, or you can find link from description below. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Python programming. Specifically, we'll be exploring Python modules and how they can enhance the functionality and organization of your code. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, stick around to learn all about Python modules and see some practical examples. So if you're ready, let's get started. By the ends of this video, you will learn 1. Understanding Python modules. Explanation of what modules are and why they're important. Discuss the benefits of modular programming. 2. Creating your own modules. How to create and structure your own Python module. Demonstrating how to define functions, variables, and classes within a module. 3. Importing modules. Different ways to import modules, import, from, import, and using aliases. Exploring the concept of the main module. 4. Built-in Python modules. Overview of some commonly used built-in modules. Examples: math, random, datetime. 5. Third-party modules. Introducing the concept of third-party modules. Briefly explain how to install third-party modules using pip. 6. Example scenarios. Real-world examples of when and how to use modules. Demonstrating how modules can improve code organization and reusability. Let's start by understanding what exactly Python modules are. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. It allows you to organize related code into separate files, making your codebase more maintainable and easier to work with. Instead of putting all your code in a single file, you can break it down into smaller modules, each focusing on a specific task or functionality. Create your own module. Now, let's create a simple example to demonstrate how to create your own module. Imagine we're building a basic math utilities module. We'll call it math_utils.py. Importing module in Python. Great! Now that we have our own module, let's explore how to use it in other parts of our code. There are a few ways to import modules. Let's create a new Python file main.py, to see how you can import and use module. In this example, we are using import keyword to use newly created math_utils.py module in main.py, and calling add method which is defined in math_utils.py module. Save the main.py, open your command prompt, type python space main.py and press the enter. You will see the expected result. Even you can call the pi variable, which is defined in math_utils.py module. Let's call it in main.py, save the Python file, open command prompt again, run the Python file, you will see the expected output. Built-in and third-party modules. Python also comes with a variety of built-in modules that provide additional functionality. For example, the math module contains mathematical functions, and the random module helps generate random numbers. You can also find third-party modules created by the Python community to solve specific problems or tasks. Example scenarios. Let's consider a real-world scenario. Suppose you're working on a data analysis project. Instead of writing all the statistical functions yourself, you can import the NumPy module, which provides efficient array operations and mathematical functions tailored for data analysis. Locating modules. When you import a module, the Python interpreter searches for the module in the following sequences. 1. The current directory. 2. If the module isn't found, Python then searches each directory in the shell variable Python path. 3. If all else fails, Python checks the default path. The module search path is stored in the system module sys as the sys.path variable. The sys.path variable contains the current directory, Python path, and the installation-dependent default. And there you have it, folks. Python modules are a fundamental concept that can significantly improve the organization and reusability of your code. Whether you're creating your own modules or utilizing built-in and third-party modules, understanding how to effectively use them can make your programming journey much smoother. That wraps up our comprehensive guide to Python modules. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python programming content. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!